Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Warpaint. I want to address the fact that I'm maybe yellow. I may have been yellow in my last video too. I tried messing with my camera settings. So I did a poll on Instagram and you guys were like, hey, unbag your Ipsy and unbox your BOXYCHARM, because the poll went 50-50. So here we are, and I've already unboxed my BOXYCHARM. So this shall be even easier because I have an opinion on every product in here. So I'm going to kind of do a review and opinion on the contents of my BOXYCHARM this month. This month is obviously January. If you didn't watch my last video, it's probably not too long, so if you want to check out what I got in my Ipsy bag, by the way, I'm really hot, I'll link that below. In the description box, we're just doing a bunch of unboxings, and I talk about YouTube and like briefly. I apologize for being gone for so long. Let's jump into this. So the BOXYCHARM for January was Rock 2018. I was like excited about this one because of some of the products were in here, but then I got to testing them and now I have an opinion on them. Let's talk about the first one. It is an eyeshadow palette from the brand Crown Pro. It is the Glam Metals palette. It retails for $25. I don't know if you can see what it looks like inside. It has a mirror in the shape of a guitar, and here are the metallic shadows it has. I was excited about these shadows because I've saw them swatched before. I was excited about Pop Rock and Rock On. I actually wore Pop Rock today before I did this to my face. These shadows are really nice. They're really pigmented, really beautiful. I don't ever see me wearing punk or heavy metal. I typically don't wear blue colored shadows, but that one right there, that is really pretty. And let's do Pop Rock. So that was Rock On and Pop Rock. These are kind of in the green family that has a lot of olive tone under Rock On, and the Pop Rock is definitely like an olive tone. Really, really beautiful. This one, Rebel, is a nice gold color. Look how pigmented that is. Like, the pigmentation on these is not, it's not a joke. Let's go ahead and swatch the heavy metal. Do I think it's worth $25? It's nice to have gotten in my BOXYCHARM, I will say that. The next thing that I was really excited about, let me tell you what, and I've had this for a week, okay? It was the Pores No More Luminizer Primer from Dr. Brandt. I really like the Dr. Brandt Pores No More face wash, and also the Microdermabrasion scrub. Really good. So I was kind of had high hopes for this, but I was like, I don't know. It's like skincare and makeup face stuff, but I guess makeup should technically have skincare in it because it sits on your face for a pretty long time. This didn't work for any of my foundations. I tried it on Estee Lauder Double Wear. I tried it on L'Oreal Infallible. I tried it under Tarte Amazonian 24 Hour. I tried it under this one, most recently, the Clinique Beyond Perfecting 2-in-1 foundation. It broke up. Didn't matter. Didn't matter. These foundations, I use them all the time. Especially the Estee Lauder Double Wear and the Clinique. Those do not separate from my face with the other primers that I use. And with this one, it's just like, what happened to my face? This looks terrible. I mean, it was like so patchy. I couldn't believe it. And the only thing to blame would be this, because I didn't change anything else in my routine. And I was just like shocked how bad this primer is. It is not worth it. And I'm pretty sure it's expensive. $38. It's $38. It's just as much as my Becca Backlit primer. And it stinks. Stinks, sorry. But it's not good. I know that's pretty negative, but like if you want to ruin your face, put that on. So I was like, well, I'm going to try it with another foundation, because I was like, man, this should be good, right? No. Wrong. So the next weird dud thingy-majigger, okay, this box, I feel so bad that I'm like reviewing this box right now, is this Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. I have another swatch on my hand, so ignore. You click it up, which is fun, but this is a lip plumper, but it's in the darkest shade. It's like a plum shade, right? But the shade, it goes on super patchy. It's sticky. As you can see, like I'm running it over with this silicone applicator, and it's not, it's like, you might not be able to tell on camera, but it's super patchy. And it didn't plump my lips, didn't tingle, not at all. It says results may vary on the package, not giving you really any indication that it's going to actually happen. It says it's 51% more hydrated, 15% plumpness, 13% firmness, 11% softness. Those are the benefits of it. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It says you should use it for 30 days for the best results. Okay, first of all, don't give me a product that I'm supposed to use for 30 days straight that is plum colored. Like, a clear one would have been good or something like that. That's just maybe off the mark. If they have a clear one, I wouldn't try it now that I've tried the plump one or the plum colored one, because I don't think it works. It didn't plump my lips at all. It wasn't good, and it's called Grande Lips. So I was just kind of like, I was expecting things to happen and nothing happened. Okay, next product we have in here is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. So this is okay. It's okay. So I give it a B if I'm gonna grade these things. The reason why is the tip of the pencil is really big. It's like huge. If you don't have eyebrows as thick as mine, you're not gonna make hair strokes. Let me tell you, you're not gonna be able to do it. I can do it on my hand, but once you get this thing going, it's a huge tip, and you can go in and, like, I can really fill in my brows. It gives you a soft focus brow, for the lack of me trying to explain better. But it's just like this waxy fill, but not what I'm looking for. I use a dip brow, and I like it a little bit better, a lot bit better actually. This is just great for people with full brows already that just want to kind of fill it in a little, but not for shaping whatsoever. The color is great, I will say that. The reason I'm giving it a B is the color is good. It's a nice formula, but the tip is just too big. I just remembered. I forgot. This is pretty negative. I clicked it right, and then I went to put it on, and the whole thing came out. The whole thing came out. I forgot about that. That happened a couple days ago. It's not even as long as my wrist. Not even as long as my wrist. That's the whole product you're going to get inside of that. Don't buy that. Don't buy it. Not worth it, dude. Not worth it. That actually is probably a C. If I wish I would have remembered that had fallen out before I told you it was a B, because I might have excited you. This box this month, the palette was nice. Was it worth it? The $21? Yeah, I think if you want to try stuff, yes, it's worth it for sure. Stuff that, you know, is more expensive that you wouldn't necessarily purchase. And then the palette is this is what anchors the whole box, what makes it like, okay, well, at least I have something I can work with here. But yeah, I don't know, I was kind of disappointed. The IT Cosmetics, I was ready for it to like hit it out of the park, being a universal brow pencil, because I thought, well, that'll be awesome for, you know, all the people that have subscribed to it can actually use this product. But it actually is like a narrow group that can use it. That's just the way it goes, I guess, with beauty products and subscription boxes. This month was it was okay. It was just okay. Hopefully next month we'll open it together and we'll find something better. If you think that I'm doing something wrong with any of the products I said that didn't work for me, let me know, because I'm open for suggestions on how to make that work, because I just thought it would, and it seems like it's a dud to me. But anyway, thank you guys for stopping by again, watching this video. If you haven't watched my other latest video, I will link it down in the description box. Yeah, if you want me to keep opening my subscriptions with you guys, let me know. I'm also subscribed to Sephora Play. If you've ever been interested in that, let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's it. That's all there is for this video. Thank you so much. And if you want to follow me on my other social media, it is linked in the description box. I will see you hopefully really soon in my next video. And I just keep saying video, so we could make a drinking game out of this. Alright, you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.